Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making an instant grilled wrap sandwich. This recipe is perfect when you want a nice tasty lunch in the matter of minutes. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 200 grams of grated cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of guacamole, chaat masala for sprinkling, 1 tablespoon of butter, a handful of salad leaves. We are using spinach, beetroot and coriander, but you can use any of your choice. 8 falafel. We've made this out of peppers, spring onions and cheese. And then 8 plain wraps. So we're going to make a cut. We're just going to make it half of the way through the wrap. And we're going to start by adding our avocado paste in 1/4 of our wrap. You can take your choice of dressings like mayonnaise, ketchup or any others. We're just going to add some sweet chili sauce on top. Then we're going to put our salad leaves in the 2nd quarter of our wrap. And in the 3rd quarter, we're going to be putting in our grated cheddar cheese. And in the last one, we're going to put 1 of our falafels. Then we're just going to sprinkle some chaat masala. Now this part is a bit harder. You need to turn it in the right way. You go from right to left. And we're just going to fold it like this. And that's our sandwich done. Now we're going to grill it. But before that, in the same way, we're going to make the rest of them. So we've made all of our wraps. And now we're going to grill it. You can use a griller, a pan or a tawa. So we're just going to put a little bit of butter on it. And then close it gently before we leave it for around 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes and as you can see it's nicely cooked. In the same way, we are going to do the rest of our wraps. And then it's time for plating. If you like this video, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!